Hi everyone, welcome to Building Smarter ERP Insights for Construction Leaders. I'm Nishad, and today in this particular podcast, we are diving into how construction businesses can transform their processes by leveraging ERP systems stage by stage to build smarter, more efficient operations. So, whether you manage small residential projects or massive commercial builds, the insights here will help you tackle real world challenges and unlock operational excellence. So, let's talk about the current situation for the construction business landscape today. Right now, many construction firms still rely heavily on manual processes or disconnected softwares. According to a 2024 report by Construction Dive, over 50% of the contractors say they use spreadsheets for project management, which is prone to errors and delays. Project managers often juggle multiple platforms, leading to confusion and miscommunication. For example, a mid sized contractor I recently spoke with shared how their teams wasted hours reconciling purchase orders because procurement data wasn't integrated with project schedules. Now, coming to the problem statement, the challenges that are holding you back. This fragmented approach causes project delays, and as per the Construction Industry Institute, reports that 75% of the construction projects are late largely due to the poor coordination. Cost overruns. A McKinsey study found that large construction projects routinely exceed budgets by 80% on an average. Supplier management headaches. So, without clear visibility, materials can arrive late or in excess, tying up working capital. And communication gaps. So, field teams lacking access to real time updates cause mistakes and rework, sometimes costing up to 10% of the project costs. Now, these challenges hurt your margins, damage client trust, and slow down your growth. So, what is the solution and how ERP can change the game? Well, basically, ERP integrates all of your operations on a single platform. For example, one leading construction company implemented an ERP system that linked their project schedules, procurement, and finance. Now, this allowed real time tracking of budgets against actual costs, reducing cost overruns by 30% within the first year. Apart from that, centralized inventory management helped another firm reduce material wastage by 20%, thereby freeing up their capital. And with integrated communication tools, project managers can instantly update site teams about changes, cutting down rework by nearly 15%. Now, these capabilities create a streamlined workflow from contract signing to project completion. So, what are the consequences? What happens if you don't act? So, failing to implement integrated system means persistent delays and budget issues, with 98% of the contractors reporting that the project complexity is increasing over year without proper tools. Losing bids to more efficient competitors who leverage automation and data insights. High employee turnover caused by frustration or inefficient processes. The turnover rate in construction is already around 15 to 20% annually. Difficulty scaling as manual processes become unmanageable with growth. So, what are the results and the benefits of building smarter with ERP? Well, companies using ERP report, for example, a Gartner study shows that construction firms implementing ERP saw average productivity gains of 20 to 25%. On time project completion rates improved by 40%. Enhanced cash flow visibility helped firms reduce billing cycles by an average of 15 days. One construction business I consulted doubled their project capacity within 2 years after adopting ERP without increasing the staff headcount. By building smarter with ERP, you reduce risks, optimize resources, and position your company for long term success. And well, yes, that was much about today's podcast. And thanks for joining me on Building Smarter ERP Insights for Construction Leaders. Now, these real world examples and stats highlight how ERP is not just tech, it's a critical enabler for business transformation. So, if you're considering upgrades or want to explore ERP options tailored for your construction projects, reach out or subscribe for more episodes. Until next time, keep building smarter and stronger.